Alright, this is the first take on the new GoPro Hero 10. It's going to be a fucking crazy summer, guys, alright? We got brand new camera. We're going to be ripping around town. It's going to be a good time. But, just want to show you what this whole video is about. Vance Hines has won, guys. I know I've talked about it before, but, I just had to get it. You know what this is? It goes on the air intake. It's 70 bucks. And, Vance Hines, you guys are dirty for this. It's a dirty move to charge that much for already something should have come with it. But you won, you know, fair enough. Let's go put this thing on, see how she looks. There's a little screen on the front of the GoPro so I can see myself. All right, so I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're just gonna go ahead and go for it. So we know, so out of the box, right, you get this, right, badass, so it should be. So out of the box, they give us just this little nub, if you can see that. Little nub, little washer, plastic washer. Bit cheap. I just don't remember how long this is. Ah, it is correct, okay. Right on there. How's it going? How are you? I believe so, my friend. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna edit that out. You know, this is my last week at UNE. The guys here are pretty good over security, so look at this thing though. This thing's fucking sweet. I don't know how tight it's supposed to be, but you just keep going until something pops. No, I'm just kidding. You know what? I have to admit though, that looks so much better. Does that not look so much better? Like, we're gonna have to rip a before and after on this shit, but that just cleans it up. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let's get this shit out here. Appreciate y'all watching, and we're gonna keep this shit going all summer. So be ready. I got new bars coming. What the hell else? I'm gonna get what is it called? Sand coated or whatever the fuck for a lot of the other stuff. Gotta clean her up, but good things are coming. Good things are coming. Take it easy.